I have already I Sadda Samta assembling or out of assembly. A tourist येतात ते कायदे मानून तेगे tourism करपाचें. Whether you are in a restaurant, you are in a pub, or whether you are driving a vehicle, you must know to respect. And respect you will get if you show respect. आम्ही ऐकतात कितले पाटी आमचे लोक हे लोकां पळोवन हे लोकांगे एटिट्यूड पळोवन आमचे लोक बेजार जातात आनी चड पाटी झगडी पासून जातात. Drunken driving is not something new. In fact, हांव इतलो रागार जालो काल त्या एक लेटर केला आनी आयज हांव दितां टू द चीफ सेक्रेटरी, to the Director General of Police, and to the Transport Department. My first charge is that the police and the transport departments have failed to take action to curb drunken driving. हांव कितें म्हणटा, आमगे कितले pubs आनी bars आसात, many what we call watering holes, late night party जाता आनी येतात गाडी चलयतात कशे भाशेन, थोडे शेतान पावले, थोडे पोलाचे मारले आनी थोडे लोकांक मारले. हांव गोंय भायर गेलो तेन्ना, बेंगलोर गेलो तेन्ना, मुंबय गेलो तेन्ना राती पुलीस आसतात, ब्रेथ एनालायझर टेस्ट करतात, ब्रेथलायझर म्हण आहा ते, तुगे अल्कोहॉल लिमीट चॅक करतात. भायर गेले जाल्यार पार्टीक लोक वयता, 5 जाण गेले जाल्यार गाडयेन एकलो पिना, 4 जाण पितोले, दे टेक टर्न्स. पण हिंगा केअर करनात, लोक येतात पितात आनी तांकां दिसतात म्हाका दम आसा, दे थिंक दे आर हिरोज ऑफ सम फिल्म and they think they will drive. Sometimes they even demand that they will drive, and this are mostly tourists, not that our goons have not done it. And mostly tourists think this the पैसे आसात म्हणून that they own and they can control the roads and every place that they go. They become boisterous and they become high-handed, and this is the manner in which they're driving in the road, killing innocent people. So my first charge has been that the police and the transport department has been inefficient. And why I'm writing to the chief secretary is because they need funds that they will buy this equipment. They now say, what is the use? So you have to release the funds so they have this equipment. Be outside these places. We party cholo tinga rawat. Check korat. Soglenk blow kor mun sangan check kor alcohol limit. And another demand I have made in this letter of mine. Tumi podel astolo, there is a very famous case in Bombay, Alistair Perera. Alistair Perera was drunk. He was apparently son of a very high profile industrialist. Poish ashile with some big swanky car. He was drunk, drove on the pavement and killed I think 6 people or something like that, who was sleeping on the footpath. Teka 304A. 304A चे तेका पनिश केल्लो, सेंटेन्स केल्लो. तो अपिलान गेलो आनी सरकारूय अपिलान गेलो. In that, our Justice Swatantra Kumar, when he was the Chief Justice of our High Court before becoming Supreme Court Judge, he ruled that this kind of cases cannot be simply 304A, it has to be 304 Part 2, because you're causing death by a rash and negligent act, with the knowledge that this will be caused, that will be caused by your rash and negligent act. This matter was taken to the Supreme Court, and his lawyer was Uday Umesh Lalit, famous criminal expert who finally became a Supreme Court judge. The appeal was dismissed, and tinga judgment ankit mulla, you know the consequences of your act. So mugi ata o judgment use koron त्या letter हांवें बरयला. Under section 307, title is attempt to murder. But you don't look at the title. The wordings are, whoever does any act which is rash and negligent and by such act is likely to cause death. Death nakatinga. Likely to cause death, he will be punishable for imprisonment up to 10 years. Mullah, it's a serious offense. And If any hurt is caused by that act, it will be life imprisonment or 10 years. हांव सेकंड पार्टाचे पळयना, हांव फर्स्ट पार्टाचे पळयता. तें आर्ग्युमेंट हांवें घायलां म्हगे लेटरान. म्हगे कितें मागणें सांगपाचें थिंगा, तूं मोटरान बसलो, पिवन बसलो आनी पिवन म्हणलें आउट ऑफ द लिमीट. बेश्टो एक ड्रिंक मारला ओ कितें कॉफ सिरप घेयलें तसलें न्ही, थिंगा अल्कोहोल मेळटा. म्हण वेन यू आर आउट ऑफ द लिमीट, permissible limit, and you are drinking and driving. And also I have said about stunts. दोन आसात हांवें तेंय म्हणलां. स्टंट ड्रायव्हिंग, कोण उबो रावन चलयता, मोटरान उबो रावतात आनी चलयतात, रिवर्सान बसतात आनी चलयतात, आमी चलयला पुरो आमकां. सो आय सेड this is an act which you know the nature of which can cause death to someone. Therefore I have said apply 307, arrest these people even if there is no accident. And once they know that Goa is very strict on it, nobody will misbehave. Kalche podoi tumi. In Delhi, a former commissioner of police and a statement, this Diwali burning of crackers in Delhi could have been avoided if the police had taken action. Ata म्हणलं कितें? It is all in your will, it is all in your power. And which means the Delhi police lapsed. That means the Delhi police defaulted. A touch argument in use कर. तुमनी दोन आसात. पिवन टुरिस्ट वयतात, तुम आसा थिंग रस्त्यार, कित कोत्तात थिंगा? So this is my demand, that use the breathalyzer tests, kits asat, they use korat, checking korat in these hot spots what I call. And second is, book these people even if they don't make an accident, book them under 307 and there will be sanity for following the law.
तर अल्कोहोल लिमिट चेक रेग्युलर चेक जाय, जेन्ना इन्सिडंट जाता हायलायट जाता तेन्ना चेक करता थोड्या दिसांनी, मागीर परत चेक करना, हेजेर तुमकां कितें सांगचें दिसता?
तेंच म्हणटा रेग्युलर आसपा जाय न्ही. मुगे रिक्वेस्ट त्या लेटरान कितें, हे जागे आहात थिंगा तुमी जाणात, कित्याक एक पार्टी पासून चलत तेन्ना टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट मॅजिस्ट्रेट आनी पुलीस क्लियरन्स दिता. म्हण तुमकां खबर आसा पार्टी खूंय आसा. सो आमगे गोंयकार बसूं जायत, कोण पिवन कोणाक मारले जाल्यार इट कॅन बी हिट अँड रन केस ऑल्सो. मागीर वचना कोणें मारला. सो आय से that you have to be strict in all these places, not only drunken driving, ते उतारा use केला, I've also said stunt driving.
Sir, yesterday a lot of villagers came and they opposed ki late night parties are going and they are violating the rules of the sound pollution. What do you like to say about that?